In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Monday.com dashboard, whether you're a seasoned user or just starting to explore the platform. Creating and managing dashboards is a skill that can significantly streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration within teams. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Monday.com. Open your preferred web browser and simply enter the website address in the search bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in to access your workspace. Look for the login button prominently displayed on the homepage. Give that a click. If you're using Google to manage your accounts, select the Google option on the login page. From there, choose your Google account that is associated with Monday.com and let the system do the rest. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create your dashboard. Navigate to your workspace and keep an eye out for a plus icon. Click on it to get started. It's designed to provide you with a sleek and central location to view various aspects of your projects and tasks. Once you've clicked the plus icon, select the dashboard option from the list that appears. This is where the power of Monday.com really starts to shine. You'll then be prompted to type in a name for your new dashboard. Choose something descriptive that reflects its purpose. Naming your dashboard appropriately will help you and your team quickly identify and access it in the future, especially as more dashboards are created over time. After you've named your dashboard, another important aspect to consider is privacy. The platform allows you to choose a privacy setting that best suits your needs. You can select a public option if you want all team members to have access, or a private one if it contains sensitive information or if it's a personal overview. The final step in this initial setup process is to click on Create Dashboard. This action finalizes the process, and just like that, your dashboard is ready for customization. You can now begin adding widgets that provide data and insights, tailoring it to display everything from high-level project timelines to specific task updates. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your tasks and projects on Monday.com, helping to keep everything organized in one place. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing how to get the most out of your Monday.com dashboard. Don't hesitate to explore further and make the platform work for you and your team. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.